internet's holding up good. We do have a lot of buyers here. I suspect that on my 120 minutes downtrend here. Uh, I wanted to take profit. I'll tell you that right now. I wanted to take profit on this. Yeah, Zach, it's the same trade. Uh, I'll toggle so you can see it. Right, the same trade bought it, sold first one here, and I'm holding the other.
NQ's like Oprah today. And you get a new high. And you get a new high.
Oh, your thing came on. The
What's that?
Your bot. Trade at your own risk. Always have a
Oh,
stop loss.
yes. That one's working the way it's supposed to.
Yeah. Uh, Something's telling me take a profit, take a profit, take a profit, and the other
It had
the other shoulder is like, they let this thing run, let this thing run. You know?
you know, my mindset on it is when we can take a look at the 2 hour, 4 hour daily, and we can clearly see the trend and the direction we're in, those are the ones we need to let run.
Yeah, it's
Other
like
than
this.
that,
What?
we need to lock in some profit. Like right now, this one might be, right? I mean, the 2 hours long, right? The 2 hour is bullish. And it's diverged. We made a lower
Yeah.
low with divergence. And
Yeah.
so we've got some bullish signals on the 2 hour. The daily,
Oh yes.
the daily's
Down.
up, but it is still bearish,
Oh
man.
yeah, very much so. Very much so. That's what I posted
Yeah,
on
and we could
Alice.
look at that two ways, right? We could look at it and
Woo-hoo,
say, hey, it made a
hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
right.
Ay, 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 get out.
Oh my gosh, running your freaking profit target away from it.
Yes. Get out
So it
of
breached the
there.
100% retracement on the X with that move.
All right, I'm gonna
That was the
now. I'm
150.
very, very
So
close on my other two accounts, guys. I'm
so
on
the
148.
161 for this move is at 260.
Yeah, we're almost at 161. I was hoping for the
Oh, I see it there.
188.
I didn't see your fibs. Yeah.
Yeah, 161. I'm almost at 188. That's
So
what my goal.
the larger retracement, the 61% for that is at 264, and we have a volume gap on the look at my chart here.
Oh,
Look at
sorry,
that
guys.
volume gap.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the volume gap right
That's
here
a
that I have.
yeah. Yeah, this is a 7-day volume profile, so this is collecting a week of data. So that's a good sized volume
Let me
gap
get
right
sipped on
there.
my other account. No, 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 no. Go up, go up, go up. It's right under that trend, man. Right under. Almost touch it. Go up, cabron. Go up, up, up. There you go. Good girl. No, 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 no. Probably people in YouTube's like, what the hell? Oh, got sipped in one. But people on YouTube is like, what the hell is this guy talking about? Got sipped in one account. So you happy now, though? At least I took one account out.
I
Ah,
feel better.
shit. I took another one. Damn it. Yeah. All right. Let's see what else we can do here. You know what? Oh, I don't know. Do I? This is my last one to run. I don't know if I put in SIP, but I think we're gonna come back all the way down. Now I'm gonna give more room. Put it under the B point here. See if it comes to the B point.
Be an ABCD on the 15 minute
Mm-hmm.
with a long B to C, but
Yeah.
we see those.
I can see the 10 minutes. I have the 10 minutes open, so I believe that's the one that you're thinking
Yeah,
about.
yeah.
The big spike up and a big spike down, right? The B and C, the candles.
Well, it made a double top at the B point at what was that price? Around 254, and it fell down to 167. Oh wow, that's a freaking 100 point move. 90. But
My
holy crap.
my 10 minutes, the one that I'm seeing it is at 309 would be the B and 980 would be the C.
Oh,
That is
further
the
left than I am.
that's the one I was seeing it. Zach, the reason I moved my SIP
So we're
down is because this is my small trade that I have. My other two accounts, I took profit already, way, way, way more than I was expecting on this trade. And you guys know that uh,
yeah, you were just gunning for 10 points when you first
yeah,
got in it.
I was getting for 10 points only. So what I did and what I always do is leave one running until SIP me. I always did that, but I stopped for a little bit, but I'm gonna go back to it. So that was the reason I gave more. If I still had my other accounts, now would be in the same place. But since I took SIP, I took 48 points in one and 40, I don't know, 40 something, and the other maybe 39 or 40 something.
And that is not too bad for an early bird special.
No, not at all. Not at all. It was a very easy trade too.
Well, it was for you. I got in during some chop, and so I had to wait it out a little bit.
Yeah, I got in and I did not take my 10 points and I got sipped. I got in again. I did not take my 10 points and got sipped. I was like, I said, screw it. I ended with it. I double up everything. I got in, took 10 points, got my sip. So everything extra there,
If the other
everything
was
was
running,
extra. Yeah, everything else was extra. So, and now I have a little bit of cushion to play around. Man, And believe it or not, but I have a heartburn all weekend long. I could not eat much. Can you believe that shit?
Well, that sucks. That was bad timing.
Oh my goodness. And it was so good, but I could not eat much every time I eat, and the acid comes, and it's like, oh my goodness, and I could not do anything about it. Was horrible, horrible, horrible. But the food was so good.
A counterintuitive trick that helps helps alleviate in the short term is lemon juice, as acidic as you can make it.
Really?
Because what happens is, yeah, what happens is as you introduce a highly acidic food
Mm-hmm.
into your stomach stops producing acid and starts producing a base to digest the acidic food
Oh,
because
okay.
it can't digest an acid food with acid. And so your body will basically do what Tums does if you drink lemon juice.
Okay. Interesting. I didn't think about that,
Yep.
but was
Of all the freaking things for me to like learn and remember from a Tony Robbins event,
yeah.
I went to one of his big things, Unleash the Power Within, and the last day of it was about health and wellness, and that was one of the things he mentioned that worked better and was better for you than things like Tums for heartburn was drink
Yeah.
lemon juice. So I got some of that highly concentrated real lemon, and if I've got heartburn, I just pour some of that in there.
Okay, I'll buy that.
Looks pretty good.
I should have mentioned here so you guys could give me some of those tips, and I was ready
And
to
you could
eat
have had
too,
more pie
man.
over the weekend.
Yeah, I was ready to eat.
Yep.
I
That
did.
plus the water will just help you digest.
I drink a bunch of water, man. I am a water drinker. I drink a
Yep.
bunch of water. But
Another thing is if you chew gum, chewing gum makes you produce saliva, and
hmm
swallowing that saliva helps neutralize stomach acid.
hmm, living and learn. Living and learn.
That said, I later kind of developed persistent heartburn, and my wife talked me into going to the doctor, and they gave me, what was that medicine? I just take one a day. Works like a champ. I just don't even have heartburn anymore. Pantoprazole.
I might
One
do that
tiny little
next
freaking
time.
tablet.
And next time I go to my doctor, I might do that because man's killing me.
Oh yeah, if it's recurring, yeah, I take this pantoprazole, and it took probably about it took probably 4 or 5 days for it to really start. But now I just take it in the morning, and I don't have heartburn at all ever
Nice.
anymore.
And
Only
guys,
time I have heartburn is if I stop taking it and then I eat stupid for and I do it for days.
okay, gotcha. And guys, we're just bullshitting here because it's 9:15. Okay, people from YouTube. We do not trade from 9 to 9:30. Um, so that's why we're just bullshitting here. But we can answer any questions, any concern that guys in
Yep.
the Discord has, and I'll be happy to answer. You stop us and ask away. Yeah, I deep fry my turkey. It was the first time I did.
Oh man, we've got we've got one of those big easy air fryers.
Air fry. Mine was 20 pounds, man.
Yeah, this one will do up to a 15-pound one.
Okay. Yeah, that's all they had there was 20 when we went to buy. So we got there and my in-laws, they deep fry theirs and they call. It's like, hey, I'm finished with my turkey. Do you want to bring yours? The oil's already here. Everything's ready. It's like, heck, might as well, right? 1 hour instead of five. I'll go for an hour.
Hmm. Yeah, what is it? It's roughly 12 minutes a pound for my fryer.
I I don't know. He told me to wait to put it for 1 hour, so I did, and it works pretty well. It tastes real good too. Zach is mad at you, so just buy some medicine or we're gonna go out jobless. Yeah. Um, for me, you guys would be dead in the water because I don't take medicine if I
I
don't
was about
need
to say
to.
pantoprazole for heartburn's the one med I take. Other than that, I've got like a stockpile of ibuprofen because pretty much if anything goes wrong with me, ibuprofen fixes it.
I need to
If I
take
get
my
a
heart blood pressure, you
blood
know.
pressure,
Yeah,
yeah.
but medicine to go to a doctor get meds all the now it's Advil and that's it for me.
Muscles are sore, take ibuprofen. Head's congested, take ibuprofen.
What did you say did not work? The oil and the bot. Why?
Oh,
Which one?
the how was your trading today? It's supposed to put the icons in. So it's
I
supposed to put
did
the
not.
icons in
Okay.
instead of the name of the icon. Right now, it's just listing the name of the icon. So I've got another change that I've introduced, and we'll see how it goes today.
Okay. It's no bad though. It's no big deal. Whoever go first, see first, put it one, and we adding it as hope that we don't need to edit, just thumbs up.
Thumbs up or chilling.
Yeah,
Taking the day off is just fine. Breaking even's fine. But if we had a red day, let's talk through it and
let's
make
talk
sure
about
we
it.
yeah, let's make sure we've got a game plan for how to keep it from happening again and how to recover from it. Yeah. Ideally before you're, $100 away from not having an account anymore.
Yeah, for sure. And that's what I like that you profit thing because you have that $1,000 over $1,000 a day lost over your head, and when you get to like $700, $800, you stop and try next day.
Yeah, you
On
really should set up if you don't do the trade copier so that you can use sim balances to manage that, um, you really should go into Rhythmic and set the thresholds in Rhythmic for that.
Yeah, and then if you
So that once
don't,
you get like, $800 down, 8 or 900 bucks down, it just stops you from trading again.
yeah,
You're
and
stuck.
and
That way you don't lose your
uh, and on the other talk, if you are had $1,000 to $2,000, you can start getting bigger, on that day, and then tomorrow, guess what? You start all over again. I
start
love
over.
that. I love that because that's how I trade. Every day is a different day. Every day is like I start the beginning of the day. I have zero, and let's go from here. What can I take? What can I not take? So the mentality of you profit to have that $1,100 on it is fantastic. I real like it. 9 minutes. Oh goodness. What is Greg at? Ah, Greg. No. Yeah, what is Greg? Oh, Greg. Greg.
He's got a tendency to get food during
Give
No
a
Man's Land.
tendency. Hey, what is that?
Food or coffee.
Mr. Greg. You had a Mr. Greg too, right?
Yeah, he didn't renew at the
Renew.
end of his trial.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, he was here on the trial.
Okay. It's interesting, right? Some people come here and we have a bad day and they out. They think we are magic, and for you guys on YouTube, if you think we are magic, you're wrong. There's not a place for you. We do have red days, but we do most green days. And the red days that we have, if you follow our rules,
Small compared
is
to the
gonna
big
be
ones.
is gonna be very small compared with your uh, bigger green days. However, if you don't follow our rules, you screw. So simple as that. But I always say um, it's not flowers, right? Every day shit happens. Shit happens. Yeah, that down gap here is holding very well, huh? It's not letting come inside. I feel like I have so many trend lines. They're all in place right now. 5 minutes. Oh, that gonna suck. So I'm not gonna be able to do my open on this account unless I get sipped. If I don't, I'll um, I'll talk. I'll talk about it. But I think I'm gonna get my target. I'm not gonna push my lock more than 73 there now. 73 with 4 be 30 with 70 points. I'll take it. I'm not gonna move higher than that. If it was a month ago, I probably would have hold this for 600 points. But I lose money when I do that. I prefer trade as we do.
Yeah. And to clarify, you lose money on missed opportunity. It's profitable trades. It's just between here and there, you could have done so much more,
Yeah, the 600 points I can do every day instead of hold it for a week to give me 600 points. That's what I mean.
right? Like using this morning's trade for an example, right? It got up to 10 points, came back and sipped you. Got up to 10 points, came back and sipped you. If you had a 10-point profit target, you would have already been up 20 points.
Yeah.
That said, I was pretty confident it was going to break out for a larger move.
hmm And I listened to you, and I did. I just double up, because I want to get my 10 points. Now do me once, blame me on me twice, blame on you, right?
Yeah.
So the third time I said, no, I'm gonna get my 10 points and then I'll let run. And I did. Would be very nice if comes back down and giving us a entrance to go up. Who knows? Maybe giving us an entrance to go down as well.
Well, this spot that we've been hovering at here, where we just kind of made our high, and if we look left, we see that we've hit this area several times. That's the monthly VWAP.
Oh, okay. Hmm. Oh, 1 minute, maybe even less.
Oh,
I didn't check
oh,
that.
good call. Let me change my ATMs for
I
open
just
session
did.
scalping.
Ooh. I had to set it up my other accounts to grab it because this is my main account. I don't know if it's 10 seconds or 40 seconds.
Um, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding.
Ding, 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 ding. What is doing that?
Yep, I like it. Come on, give it to me. First target, sip. The heck of a way to start a Monday. Really? You want to touch my profit target, but not give it to me.
Touched the mic too. I did not do it. Oh, yep.
Second one cleared. All right, third target's hit. Now I got to find something else to trade.
Poor you. Poor you.
Life is
Oh
hard.
shit, look at that, look at that, look at
There's your 188. There's your
that.
188.
Oh, did not hit me. Come on. For freaking real? Give it to me.
I think this is a pullback to to give it to you.
Alright. Done.
There she went.
Whew. Shit. Ah. Oh, look at the 3 minutes candle, guys. That is intense. Yeah, I'm not touching anything right now, guys. I'm gonna wait to see it, see what's
You know,
going
some
on here.
buddies of mine introduced me to this female rock band, Hailstorm. They opened at an Evanescence concert he was at. I'm digging these. I'm digging them.
I'm going to,
I would play some of it, but it would definitely violate YouTube copyright laws, and the video would be banned. So,
you don't want to do that. 188. That's why I took my
oh, that's
profit
a
there, guys, because I wanted to. I knew that this was going to happen. Uh, Now, what I'm looking,
that
hopeful.
was also the 127 of that 15 minute.
Ah, really?
Yeah, yeah, that smaller one that
Oh,
I was
look at
tracking.
that, the B point. Almost. That's it. This is done.
Dang, there's a lot of volume in this
Yeah,
sell-off that's happening.
lots and lots. Oh, look how retest that trend,
Enough
but
to,
10 minutes is still up, huh? No, curve to the
uh,
downside.
yeah,
Now it was
yeah.
I had it stretched, so it was above my view. So I'm not going long here as yet because I don't have anything telling me that we're gonna go up as right now. We might, but I don't have anything telling me that
Might. Could be weak though, so be
yeah,
careful, right?
yeah, exactly. Freaking CEOs talk, they don't know shit.
They know they want their stock to go up.
Yeah,
That's that's the one thing you can count on is they're
exactly.
motivated to raise their stock price.
Yeah.
Make no
And
mistake.
the reason I said that was Yahoo just sent me a message. CNBC CEO so and so said the stock's gonna just bullshit. He doesn't have no knowledge or anything. Oh, I'm starting to like him though.
Uh,
Hmm, damn it.
I would. It's just
Weak,
the
right? It's
momentum and
not.
strength don't look right. Yeah, yeah,
No, yeah.
exactly.
The
Momentum and
momentum,
strength are just weak behind it.
3 minutes is starting to hook, but it's one of those hook that can get a big fish and push down, and straight the
Hmm.
hook
Hmm.
down like that.
Yeah, I think I like this for short now, at least for a little scalp. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, we're on this trend line here. Oh, nice.
Womp womp.
Nice, nice, nice. I should get in with you, and I didn't. Oh, come back down
Looks
to
like
that
it
50 there.
hit 2 out of 3 on my targets.
I wanted that pivot point there. That's what I want. Come all the way down to 148 area in here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it there. Yeah.
That's what I would like to, but it's fighting.
Still don't like it for a long.
We need the 3 minutes is down. Ten
Yeah, and
minutes
it's
is
actually
turning.
got bullish or bearish divergence down.
Yeah, so I'm
Like this
I'm
could
not
just be a
touching it as
pullback.
yet. I am not
I am.
touching it
I'm
yet.
touching it short again. I'm touching it.
I am not touching you. So you guys know, I had not. I just did a scalp at the open with Doyle when he said he was going long. I got long too on my scalp account. Beside that, and I got sipped on this one here. Got my profit target done, so I'm just waiting. Um, oh man, I did not take a picture of our trade. Damn it. It was 78 points. Uh, oh, cool. My son just sent me a message, the Blue Angels. Oh, that's cool. Oh, get out of here, get out of here. We might gonna be on this damn. Jeez, that's is moving. Guys, if you do not have a big account, do not trade right now. Candles are 10 to 20 points. So real careful. Do not do not let hurt you, okay? Please. I even want to get out of this trade now. When I saw that, I'm gonna wait for a better setup. Can't wait to put a sip on this damn thing. Because it's not a plus setup. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna put in sip.
Oh, there's a big order sitting there I wasn't paying attention to. Chewed right through it.
Yeah, just got sipped in one of my accounts. Waiting for the next one. I'm gonna follow very close. I still have two accounts going. God dang, just sip me went up. And it's gonna sip me again. Maybe not. Oh, yep. Up. I should have got in.
There's a lot of buy volume behind this rise up,
Yeah.
suggesting it wants to make new highs, actually. May see a little battle here and then it go up. We'll see.
What the heck? Look, it touched my and did not take me out. Good, I like it. But look at that, touched. I'm not gonna complain about it, you know. But uh, and let me explain a little bit to you guys here. Today at 10 points, if you enter with a 10 point stop, you're gonna be eaten alive. Okay,
Yeah, you
today,
need to size down and open up your ranges.
yes, because if you enter, you're gonna get out quick. You're gonna get stopped out. Uh, I was worried because I enter and on the same size that I always do, and I had to open my stop. So if I had gets stopped out, would be a big deal, you know. So what I'm doing here behind the scenes is setting it up my other accounts to, like Doyle said, putting lower. So when I get in, I can push to whatever I want. And today is not a day to edit either. You cannot add on a day as today. Do not add it on. If you're wrong, you're wrong. If you get stopped, you got stopped. What?
I sipped after it moved like 12 points in my favor, and it came back and hit me.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying is right now is and you re-enter. You the
Yeah, it didn't hit
man.
where I wanted it to go. I mean, I believe it's going to make a new high at least.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, I wish I was in all my accounts though. And that's the way you need to think, Zach. That's perfect thing. And now when you go surf, I was a surfer when I was young too. And sometimes I look at those waves like shit, this thing is, you know, 4, 5, 6 foot. That's too big for me. I don't have the weight to do it. And you stay away. You wait for the waves come down or whatever, you know you're gonna get hurt. That's the same thing. That's a good way to see it. Know your capability, know what we can do, and overall, very good day so far for me at least. And guys, the YouTube, if you all could like it, our video, if that's what you like, please just give a thumbs up for us, please. Uh, if you believe this is helpful to you. Oh, got sipped. Accept and got sipped. I'm still not too comfortable going long. I'm iffy. 3 minutes is down. Oh, look at that. 10 minutes is down. Are you okay there, Doyle?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. I'm
Uh,
fine.
I just worry about that candle there for you. Man, it was a huge order there. How many was there? Let's see if I can. Holy shit, 474 orders right here. Do you see that? No.
No, where?
At around 77,
Oh, down there.
277.
Oh,
Holy shit, got scared of that order. It's like, whoa, let me get the hell out of here. Somebody wanted this baby down. Let me see. We have the candle on the 3 minutes. The last candle was a 52 points candle. So you guys know you can put a perspective on that. 52 points. And we might get in a area here, right? A zone. I'm gonna stay back a little bit and watch to see what's going on. This could be making a delag on the 30 seconds. Do you see that?
I
Nothing
guess
on
so. Yeah.
nothing on the 3 minutes or the 10
Yeah,
minutes.
it's kind of just ranging on the 1 and 3 minute a bit.
Yeah,
It's almost looking like a cipher, but you know how much
on
I
the
like
30
those.
seconds, right?
But yeah, yeah, 30 second and 1 minute if you look real
Yeah,
tight.
1 minute. Yeah. I'm liking now. But again, it's the range, so this could be the top of the range and come back down again, right? If we're
I
gonna.
could be because volume, it climbed on half the volume it took to reach that B point.
Oh, I see. Yep.
Oh my gosh, I spent some time rewriting these indicators to try to. So now all of that is one indicator instead of four indicators. My unbalanced volume now has three moving averages as a single indicator. That was a lot harder than I expected it to be.
Yeah.
This could be a pullback here.
Yeah.
3 minutes. It looks like we're a couple of candles away from generating a buy signal, but we're coming up on this report at the top of the hour.
Oh,
Existing
shoot.
home sales.
Yeah. Yeah. And we still have that. Oh no. Hold on. Let's see. 10
I'm
minutes.
yeah,
We still have 474 orders at 277.
volume. 2,000 contracts were sold in that 1 minute candle.
I'm
It's
thinking
20
about
seconds.
short into 70 unless somebody is gonna take it away, and let this thing going through.
I'm partially inclined to wait for the housing report in 10
I
minutes.
am too. I am not touching it. I'm not gonna give a penny back.
That might be the chop that we're seeing. I personally think with what Wall Street shared about the basically the tax on softwood, um, I personally think I think all of the inflation is here to stay. Labor rates are going to keep the prices up. Supply chain's going to be screwed up for a while, and lumber prices aren't going to normalize for us if we start taxing Canada on importing wood. So at that point, home prices are probably here to stay, and so is our inflation. But Friday, they're expecting that jobless number to get us back pretty freaking close to pre-COVID levels. Shall see. Man, I want to take that candle. I'm gonna take it.
Just want to show you guys here on my screen so people did. Today was 21 trades total that I took. So this divided by 3, so 7. I took 7 in each account, 100% profitable. No adding, no nothing. Just want to show you guys that. It's pretty cool. What did you just tell me, mister?
It looked good.
Uh-huh. Man, watch for that right there. Watch for right there. Holy shit, no way.
Well, I got one of my three, then it shot back against me.
Yeah, because that 470 something orders
Uh-huh,
there.
uh-huh.
What? Ah, they took it
But
out.
it's
They
not there
took out
anymore.
of the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not right. That's not right. That's just wrong right there. Wrong.
uh, let's go. Give it to me. Let's go. Give it to me. Holy smokes.
You know what I did with
I
I'm
gotta stop this auto sip. It's auto sipping once it gets 10 points into profit and it's coming back and slapping me.
oh yeah, 10 points is nothing right now today. You know what I did with yours? When I'm doing scalps now. I'm going. Yours is 111. I did 211.
Oh, yeah, front loaded it, right?
Yeah. So this way, when I get out, I'm getting out with a good quantity. I'm doubling it
Yeah.
up. So I do two, and then sip, and then third one, the second one that's gonna be one, and the third one is all the way on top. So I just readjust from my account, you know what I mean, per account.
Yeah, I like
So
that.
it's put in.
I'll set one of those up. I also like it from a risk management perspective because you're taking most of your risk off on your first trade.
Yeah, yeah. I did. It worked out pretty well. I like it. I like it. I did not use today yet. I've been using your normal one for scalp, but I just did one scalp on that. The rest I took in here with you guys. I wanted to go long now too, but 6 minutes from this damn report. But this report can shoot us up. But to do correct, guys, so you guys know why I'm not doing it, I'm gonna need to put my stop all the way down here. That's 76
Way to
points.
40. Yeah, yeah. And if you take that first little dip, it's like freaking 50 points away, 40 points away.
Yeah, so to do correct, I need to put it there to swing. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait. I do not have any setup on the 3 minutes or the 10 minutes as yet.
Yeah, the big thing I have is higher momentum and really good volume at this price level. But it is getting weak as we get closer to that freaking report.
And we're getting all time, not all time high, the daily high again. Yep, just did.
I'm gonna get out at that level there.
Believe me, man, I wanted to get in so bad.
Flat now for another
Oh,
4 minutes at least.
look at that.
That was a very high risk trade. I had a 44 point stop.
Yeah,
Points,
yeah.
not ticks. At
And on
129 lot at
and
300.
today is a day that you cannot edit, right? Because if it comes against you, you can get another 30 points so quick, negative, and then what? That would destroy your account. And we don't want to do that. Like right now, I don't know, man. Zach, you know me, I'm up. I think we're gonna go up, up, up. I don't think we wanted to go. I'm trying to get in long. I am not trying to short this. I'm not saying that's gonna is not going to give us shorts, but overall, I'm long, long, long. 100 point move on this leg. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Greg, how you doing? Too quiet. You're worrying me.
I'm just sitting here listening in.
Did you do any trade with me today?
No, no, I'm just sitting back for a bit.
Okay. 2 minutes for the report. That got to be mellow. Is it?
Good morning, everyone.
There you go, mellow. This one here is a ABCD up only 10 minutes. That's this trend line is, and we're at the 100%. 1 minute for the report.
Yeah, I think it's 10 o'clock right now.
Yep, just 10 o'clock. Yep. And what happened was, that's very strange. I should report it was 10 o'clock, Doyle.
Let me double check it real fast.
Maybe people didn't care anymore. Oh, pending home
Yeah,
sales rebound in October.
yeah, it was expected to be down 8%, and it or
It
last month it was
rose.
down 8%, and it was down 1.4%. So
It's a good report, so we might go down.
so I guess yeah. Well, I mean, pending home sales year over year is still down from last year, but it's better than it was last month.
Yeah.
A lot better than it was last month. So I'll take it. What's sitting up there at 320? 143 lots.
Ah, shit. Got sipped.
Sip it too soon. Oh shoot,
Yeah,
there's a R1 there I wasn't paying attention to.
yeah. We were breaking through it, but decided not to. Three minutes is up, 10 minutes is up. Actually, 3 minutes is curving down. I'm not liking it. I should not have re-enter.
Let's go. Keep dropping.
Morning, guys.
Hey, good
Morning.
Good
morning.
morning, Matt.
Looks like it's going the right way, Lou.
Yep. Three minutes is down, 10 minutes is still up. I don't think it's gonna go too far.
Remember, guys, Lulu's having their Cyber Monday sale.
Ali Louis, you said?
$68. Yep, $68 Aspires, $25,000 account.
How many Lilu accounts do you guys have now?
I have three.
Nice. Do you get funded on any of them yet?
Two.
Two funded?
Two, yeah.
Nice.
Oh,
Welcome to the club.
starting adding that baby then. Buy two more and then two more and then.
Beautiful.
Not bad.
I'll be right back, guys. I need to go to the house here real quick.
Okay.
I need to just quit stalling and get that trade copier so I can stop trading these things individually and trade them all
Oh
together.
my gosh. Right. Yeah, it's pretty intuitive.
If you need a wrench, buy a wrench. Don't use a screwdriver.
I'm thinking we have us a pullback here before we bust through R1 because we've got a double top on R1 with worse momentum and divergence.
I'm back, guys. Ay, ay. Are you guys in anything?
No, I'm flat. I'm thinking it's going to pause here before it breaks through R1. Could be wrong, but we've got a double top there with
Yeah.
lower volume and lower momentum on the second one.
So sideways condition here.
Yeah, I'm waiting to see. Yeah, I'm waiting to see how this pans out. I mean, it could grind up, right? But
Yeah. The 10 minutes is up. Had not
yep,
changed yet. Oh, just a big order just came under. Uh, 3 minutes. Oh no. Phil, took how many points, Phil, are you down? Oh crap, you're an NQ, huh? Holy shoot. Okay. Go back to MNQ. Don't do NQ today now. At least for now. Uh, yeah. Go to MNQ and you know we'll try to get back. Right now I'm not seeing any setup beside the ABCD on the 10 minutes, which we are in 100%. Um, so I don't have anything to go long right now or short, to tell you the truth. We're in the middle right now. So Phil, just don't let this get to your head, okay? And think that you need to get back, to get back, to get back. Go to MNQ and let's try to dig ourselves out. Yeah, I was going to say, why did you short there, Dora?
right.
I don't know. Mark is acting a little stupid. We are losing momentum in here. It's 10:18. On the 10 minutes, I can see a lot of um, buying pressure under. These candles keep popping up and get eaten, popping up and getting eaten, but keep coming back. The day like today, guys, don't look pattern on the 30 seconds. Go to the 3 minutes. Try to find patterns on the 3 minutes, 10 minutes. That's why I'm not fighting here because I don't see any patterns on the 3 minutes or the 10 minutes that I have on my other screens. I would not play 30-second pattern. I would not play a 30 seconds or a 1 minute pattern, okay? That's in my opinion. Because can wipe you, because can go on the other way, since you're gonna need to give room, give you room to do a bigger return. Today is the day that get in, and if you're out, get out, wait for another setup. Because 30, 40 points is nothing at this moment. Now we could be doing an AM in here on this 30 seconds, but again, I'm not playing because I don't see
Well, the safe
anything
bet is to let the D leg, the safe play is to let the D leg fully form.
form, yeah, and then get back.
Yeah, there's a bigger D leg that could form on the 1 minute too.
Yep.
Yeah, in the 3 minutes, you can see the 3 minutes now too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but again, we could be doing a triangle as well. What did I say? The symmetrical triangle here. A little symmetrical triangle here. So, and that's what happened. Though I send you a message, I'm gonna get a phone call here. Be right back.
Boy, I was wanting to look at this at the 161, but it's still pretty bearish here.
Yeah, it just tapped it, didn't it?
Yeah. Yep.
Yep, I took it. Took one off. Stops in profit. Aiming for the B point. Taking that because I got to step out for me.
What's that?
30. I got to
And
step
there's
out.
the B point.
Yep.
Yep.
A lot better bounce than I thought it was going to be off that 161.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting this type of move.
I thought it was going to fight to get to the B point.
A nice 3 minute candle. Yeah, it's a hell of a 3 minute candle. It's printing.
Yeah, it is.
18 seconds
Kind of
left
got,
in it.
I was about to say, it's kind of got junk volume for a candle that big.
Yeah, it's got the same volume as the last one. The body's
Right?
twice as big.
Yeah. And she tanks.
Yep.
Now, ironically, this is a very big red candle on weak volume. So
Same
the
volume
rise
as the
was kind
last
of
1 minute.
weak, right?
And then that candle was twice the size of the last 1 minute candle
Right?
with the same volume.
Oh my gosh, how big was that sucker? Let's see. 24 to 79. Dang. Almost
Jeez.
35 points. $35 points in a minute. We're an hour into the open. These are some big moves still. I'm liking this for another long scalp here. It's not proving out the way I liked it. I like the way the volume was shaping up on it, to be honest. And the 22nd, I had divergence on that last lower low. So that plus made me think that I'd be able to get in a good long here. But I'm questioning it now. Yeah, I'm going to kill it. Actually looking like it wants to do another push down before it goes up again. Acting like it anyways. Lilu uses lifetime commissions. Some volume.
I'm back, guys. We had POC and the view app, huh? Are you guys seeing anything?
Well, I saw this reversal. I just got sipped out before it took off.
Oh, I see. Yeah, 30 seconds and 3 minutes is hooked. 30 seconds is up. The thing is, the stops got to be so big today that I'm not liking it. You know?
Yeah, using price action for your stop is really the way you should go, and that basically puts your stop between 20 and 40 points away.
Yeah.
That said, we've got a flag. We've got a downtrend here. I don't have the line on my chart, but it's right here.
Oh shit.
What's that?
Hold on one second. I'm positive, but fuck. I'm sweating.
Okay.
One of those stupid shit that worked out. Okay. Woof. Oh shit. The other one did not. Get out. Okay. Woof. Oh, my heart.
All right.
My heart. I thought I was setting it up on my just on my scalp account. That's like 25 contracts, but went through the other one that had 50 and 50. So what is that? 100, 25, 20, 200 contracts. I got 20 points out of it. Whew. Holy shit. Holy shit, man. Holy Batman. And I saw the thing on my positions like it's like what? That's not right. Usually when I to
Oh,
fill,
yeah, yeah. When you like move a stop, you see it.
yeah,
You saw it ratchet up instead of snap in place.
exactly.
Yeah, that's a good indicator. You got a lot of orders in, right?
I was like, oh yeah, yo, that
Yo, neighbor. So how many was it, if you don't mind saying?
200, 200 NQs. The thing I had set up on your way, you know, that one and one,
Yep.
and cut my other account. So and did the same thing with the other account, so that gave me actually 210 total. Even my neck is sore right now
Uh,
because of this volatility. You know what I mean? That was not because
yep.
of the amount or anything. Is the and my stop was like 40 points. Can you imagine? Whew. Like no, 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 no. That's not good. Actually, I'm a little sick of my stomach right now. to lose.
I think this pullback here should create a decent entry with the divergence that I'm seeing. Although 2 out of 3 of my time frames are still down.
Yeah, 10 minutes is down. 3
Yep.
minutes went up, but hooked the downside. I'm gonna take it easy with this. I'm gonna take it like a 5 minutes. I'm gonna be here, but I'm taking a 5 minutes breather. Yeah, real time. The market's moving well, but with not much pattern. It's giving us points for sure. It's just is just like doesn't have much settings, right? Setups. That's what I mean. Setups.
Yeah, we're in the middle of a symmetrical triangle too. If you attach the support from the open.
I was just looking at that. Yeah.
Yeah, this purple triangle I have.
Yeah, I believe Did you see how the stupid symmetric triangle that I put in here, they came in touch here? Did you guys notice that? This symmetric triangle has nothing. And look at this, retest here and came all the way down. I guess was not so stupid after all. This is triangle. Let's see your picture there. Is anybody on with any issues, any concerns, anything? Does anybody has any issue, guys? Any concern? Anybody? Anybody? Everybody making that green money?
Bueller? Bueller?
Uh, Zach, yeah, I think today is a scalp day. It's not a mean scalp. I don't want to say scalp. I mean take profit day.
Take profit.
Uh, because
They
there's
can run
not.
against you so fast.
Yeah. So it's like a take profit day type of deal. Because it's scalp, you need to put it sip right away. But today, if you put it sip right away, you're gonna get sipped with no doubt. So you just need to get in on the right place. You know, if it comes back a little bit towards the against you and get to your 10 points, you can make the decisions to take profit or move, go under. So depend how, I don't want to tell you to take profit and then run, but safer if you just have one take profit. Oh no, no. Take profit day is you get in a trade and you get to your 10 points, 7 points, whatever you think that we're gonna get, you take your profit. No, not take profit day. Sorry, Jeff, if I you know if I misrepresent what I was trying to say. But makes sense what you said. Take profit day means people's gonna take profit off the market. Now I'm talking about our trades. Uh, you get in, you get your 5, 7, 10, 15 points, whatever. you know, you'll pop out. If you have two, like Doyle had, you see he took his profit and he put in SIP. He most likely gonna get SIP. Right, Doyle? It's one
Yeah,
of those
right.
days that is like, look, right there, you see it? That's why we say take profit day. Right there was a big example. Doyle had one, he put in SIP, but he was happy with his trade, you know? Look, just came, hit him, and went back, right back up. But Doyle's a good cowboy, so he just hopped in on that horse and let him buck another 8 seconds.
Oh, that's funny. It's a nice analogy, though.
Yeah. Oh man, I heard something yesterday, and oh, what was that? I thought I didn't tell the guys that shit. Oh, what it was.
That was the 11 minutes on candle.
Oh man, it was something I should have made a note to myself to remind to tell you guys. It was real. What I was like 100% what we do here and the way we do. Damn it. Yeah, it is. I'm watching right now. The 3 minutes as well. Jeff. The only thing is, if was crossing and was all the way down, would be even better. But now it's right at zero, right? So at zero is like, okay, now it's gonna do what? It's gonna go up or it's gonna bounce back down. So when the curve goes all the way down, the lines goes all the way down and curve to the upside, it's like, oh, okay, so we have pressure to go up. And when it turns on the zero line, it's like, yeah, okay, but I don't care much about it type of deal, you know? It's not like if it comes all the way down here and cross all the way down here, it's like, oh, okay, we have pressure to go up. But when it turns here, which this is not the 3 minutes, I'm just giving an example. I can see it, it's like, okay, we are here and now what? So, 10 minutes, still losing momentum. Doyle's still in it, huh? Don't you get tired now? Jesus Christ, man. I'm here in La La Land, and Doyle's there. Every time I look in his screen, he's up, he's going down, he's going sideways. He's always in.
Yeah, it looks like it is going to fall though. I was thinking it was going to go up, but I gotta let this candle and the next one tell me if I'm going to stay in this trade or not.
This trend line that I have in here, we are hugging it. Check it out. That's crossing.
Mm-hmm. Having a
Maybe,
hard time with it, right?
yeah, maybe we're gonna get, going up and up in here. And it's not much of a trend either, it's just this. Yeah, that's what I did right here. I am satisfied with my trade today. I'm taking it easy. If I see something real good, I'll enter. If not,
There it was.
yeah, 10 minutes turn. Again, guys, anybody have any issue today? You to follow our trades, you should be positive. Anybody with any problems, any concerns, please let us know. It's time to say something. Phil, how you doing with your, were you able to recoup anything yet? Doyle did a lot of trades there. I don't know if you follow him or not. I was more, did a few scalps, but let me see how is the, All right, Phil, that's no big deal. It's good that you did not, FOMO and revenge trade, and that's okay. If we don't get today, we'll get tomorrow. And the 3 minutes look maybe a spring top.
Yeah, I was looking at that from a momentum perspective. It looks like it
Yeah,
could do a spring top or a double top up there.
yeah.
Yeah, at the R1, the piece that I don't like about it is I would like to see weaker volume. Volume actually looks not bad at this price.
But check on the 3 minutes. We've been losing the volume. We've been
Well,
losing
yeah, we've been on a
a
steady
downgrade, right?
yeah, we've been on a steady downgrade, but from an unbalanced volume perspective as far as like buyers versus sellers in the market.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do have more buyers than sellers.
Yeah, I'd like to see that weaken at a double top. Kind of like if we look at the 1 minute at the last double top that happened for that D leg we played.
Mm-hmm.
You see how we had this many buyers at that price level,
Yep.
and then we had this many buyers. Buyers diverged at the same price. I like to see that behavior at a double top.
And at 10 minutes, we are diverged to the downside. We are losing momentum, but we still have more
Yep.
buyers than sellers.
Yeah. So could grind. So it looks like it might be petering out here for a trend line break. Try a scalp on it. Stop is the top of that move. Take it.
What? What?
Took my stop.
Now the 3 minutes is up. 10 minutes is starting to going up. Kind of like it too. I'm gonna put in my stop is right under the flag. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I like it, but now I'm not liking it anymore. Let's see. Let's see what happens. That's a lot of volatility, don't you think?
It is a good bit of volatility.
It's not top of the hour.
It's been choppy today.
There it is, Mr. Doyle. $10. And it's gonna come back down and sip me again. I wanna be greedy here.
You said you want to be?
And I'm gonna pay for it. Yeah, that candle there had no volume to be that big, huh? What do you think?
But the downside candle? The
What's
upside
the
candle had
volume?
good volume for its size.
Loading up. Still have 5
Yeah,
seconds.
the upside 1 minute candle had about, you know, almost twice the volume of the candles next to it.
What do y'all think about this ABCD here? Free trade. Yeehaw.
It gets that far up. Okay. I guess I don't need to sip.
Thank Mr. Doyle. Oh, not thank you yet. Oh, none. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Did not hit me. Look at that. Hello?
Yep. Hello?
Hello?
Blue.
Can anybody hear me?
We can
Yep.
hear you.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Ah, okay, okay. I just got a beep on my thing. I forgot to charge. Hey, thanks for the trade, Doyle.
Yep, yep.
Got sipped and all. You see how close got to my take profit? Got one tick out of my take profit. It did not hit me. I should have manually done.
That's a double top on with momentum divergence and a trend line break.
That's what we were talking about, right? The spring or
Yep.
might be the double top. Oh, Disney reached a 52 weeks low. Oh man, do you think this variant's coming up is gonna stop me to go to Florida?
I think we're going to wait about a week or two and see what the WHO and others find out about vaccinated people and how well it's protecting them. I think we're going to pay attention to that. Yeah, you've even got Fauci saying when it comes to the risk of vaccinated people dying from COVID right now, you've got higher risk doing, everyday ordinary things. And
Yeah,
so when Fauci starts saying that,
the issue is my youngest does not have vaccine yet.
yeah,
The 8 years old.
mm, it's eligible for him, right?
I don't know, it is? I
Pfizer
don't
is.
think so.
Yeah, I think ages 5 to 12 or something like that.
Eyes open now?
Might want to double check. I'm pretty darn sure it
I'm
is.
gonna ask my wife right now. Wow, man, can you imagine how many people is losing their damn ass right now trying to short that thing?
Quite a few, I would imagine.
Look at that. We're almost at 127 of this.
I think I'll put my last order on the 127 there. How the rest of it plays out.
Yeah, the wife just said yes, he can do it. Do you guys know anything on young kids? What's going on? Does
I haven't
anybody?
heard
All
anything
three
bad
of
about it.
mine, all three of mine have gotten it, and they just shook it off. Like they had like no symptoms. My youngest had a high fever for 2 days, but that was it.
Okay. Yeah, but my
And I have a 8, 5, and 3-year-old.
okay. By I have a the one that did not take yet's the 8. My 12, the twins 12 took it and they had no issue at all. Uh,
Oh no, none of mine are vaccinated. I was talking about actually got COVID.
no, no, no,
Like
vaccine,
yeah.
vaccine.
Oh no, no, no. None of mine have got vaccine. They all got COVID.
Okay. Now talking about vaccines. Let's see if anybody had it.
We have a 30-minute volume gap here that it's fighting.
If my day ends right now at this second with trading, I'll be happy. I cannot bitch about it all.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, me neither.
yeah, I'm gonna be looking um for something else here. And for people that are in YouTube, if you come to our Discord, if you have a Discord, you can still talk to us on general channel. So you'll be able to talk to us straight through the Discord. That will be the easiest way to get an answer from us. Or if you have any question or anything, and if you like, we still have the 14 days free trial if you like to try it. ABCD. Now I got confused. Does ABCD have bearish and bullish?
ABCD is going to be shaped like a diamond.
Yeah, I know, but we
You're
don't call bearish or bullish now, right? It's just a
not
ABCD.
really.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's got
I tend to say, up or
exact.
down,
Just
but
ask them, and then took me for a little loop. I was like, oh shit, hold on.
technically they are, right?
Yeah, because we come
Yeah,
back to the B point, right?
yeah,
So it will
yep.
be a bearish because it's coming
Because the
down.
D leg is going up. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, you took me for a loop there, Mister Zach. Uh, yeah, we are going up. I have the fibs right here, here to here, and going up. We almost at 127. No, 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 no. I will not answer here at all. No. Ooh, you added. What do you mean you added? Don't do that. No. Uh,
I wouldn't be adding to any trades today. I'd be keeping them small.
yeah. Around 16 original entrance at 274. No, I would definitely not do that. Because
Moves your break even too close to current price.
yeah, now break even's too close, you might lose both. You know, never ever. The only way that okay, good. The only way that I added is if you see me doing all the time. I enter, comes against me. Like today, I don't even do that, but goes back towards me with power to keep on going. Then I'll enter again in the same level. So this way, it would not, I don't lose anything. I'm just entering again to add it to my position. But if it goes, if it went above you, no, I would not add it. I know it's hard. I know it's like, oh man, I should have had more. No, don't be greedy. Your position is one, will be one. Don't add it to a winning trade. Don't add it to a losing trade. Yep. And the reason is that, you come back up and then now you're screwed because you're so close to here. Work out for you because it's moving nice today, but it's not a good choice to do it. And now when you're gonna take one off again, you're gonna see how it's gonna move again, even closer.
Yeah.
So that's why I don't like to add it to unless you're like 200 points, you know, on a trade, 100 something points in a trade, then you're ready to get out and you took all your profit and is on the fourth wave and you want to add it to just to run the fifth wave, which I don't say that to do it, but if you want, it's something like that, you know, on a big time
Yeah.
frame.
Yeah, the only time I tend to average in like that is when there's a flag that happens, so that my average price is beneath a flag. There's just nothing worse than, you average into a winner and then your average price is now above support. Or I'm sorry, yeah,
Yeah,
above
yeah, yeah,
support.
support. Because can come back down and you lost all that one trade that you had. But you know, that's a good question. Glad you asked as well, because probably a lot of people
Now then,
can do that.
that said, that is a great investment strategy. If you're investing and buying to hold for a long term, that's that's a very good way to do it. Yeah, you average into your winners. You wait for a pullback on a higher time frame, and then you play the flag break from an investment perspective to add to existing positions. But for day trading, intraday stuff that we do, especially when we were so close to a profit target of the 127, it's just risque.
But nothing lasts. Worked. So worked. So good deal. Good job. Just keep that in mind, you know, for the next time. That's all we say. Real time, we've been getting it, you know, pieces of those. I'm not holding all the way through it now, but I mean, in the oil, we are grabbing 20 or 30 points here and there. Right now,
Yeah, so like this one right here, I had a high confidence it was going to get to that 127, so I scalped towards that target, but no idea what it was going to do after the 127. So 127 was my target, and I got out there. But I think in order to do that, I had like a 30-point stop.
exactly right. So it's very difficult trading day because that not difficult, it's easy. Like I don't give a crap. I don't look at the points, you know. I look for my trade. For if I'm gonna enter here, I need to put my stop here. I don't come in here look, okay, how many points is in there now? I just put in there. But when you have a small account or you have combine that you're not profitable yet or you cannot do that, you need to count those points because those points are very important. Um, so again, that's my 2 cents.
Worth at least a nickel with inflation. Probably a quarter today.
Yeah. You bought the trade copier and messed up last night. What did you mess up? I bought the trade.
Versus doing a market. Yeah, the easiest way to make sure your follower accounts always enter the trade is to enter with market.
Yeah, and
Because
what
what can happen is your leader account could get filled. Let's say let's say, you get filled for a long, but your follower accounts don't. And then it can go up and reach its profit target and sell, and then your follower accounts sell.
But now you're short.
And now you're short in
Yeah,
accounts you probably didn't want to be short in.
yeah. You need to have and the rest went
Yep.
long. Oh, geez. Yeah, always keep your desktop open for the Ninja.
Check out my chart. I'm about to drag this over. Always keep this open with the positions tab
Yeah,
highlighted.
positions.
That way you can always see what you're in and you can right click and flatten.
Yeah, that's the best way to do it. I tell everybody to do that. So this way, if you one is green, one's red, or whatever it is, you can see, hey,
Yep, you can
something
look and
is
say, hey, I'm
wrong.
long, I'm short, or you can
Yeah,
see the instrument, and hey, I thought this was going to be micros and it's a full mini. Yep.
and the other thing is if you right click with your mouse, you can close right there. You don't need to go to the chart or anything because if you're wrong, just right click and say close flat,
Yeah.
and you can close
Yeah.
right there.
Close will close whatever account you've got active, and if it's your leader account, it'll should close the rest. But flat flattens you, regardless of whether you're long, whether you're short, how many positions it is. You hit flat, and it liquidates everything. Gets you out.
He said his brain was closed. Phil, man, it's so easy. I'm telling you, I'm the worst human being to be in a computer. All right, and I was able to do by myself. If that tells you something, you have no problem. But it does. They
Yeah, I
have
mean,
a little
the,
little thing on their website. You can see they have like a 3 minute something. But if I
yeah, the
could
two
do
things
it,
you want to pay attention to, I guess really there's three. You choose your leader account, and then the method that I prefer is I prefer ratio. And so, that way I'm able to say, if I enter one trade on my leader account, it'll enter one, two, three, whatever on my follower. But if you right click on the left pane, there's an option to choose cross order. The cross order can let you, you know, place an order for a mini on SIM and place orders for micros on your combine accounts. That way you can chart the big contract. Yeah, yeah, I would agree with Jeff.
yeah,
Yeah, you just want to make sure that you never have two of those trade copiers open.
yeah, and they open
Also,
automatic, so you don't need to reopen every day, guys. Because if you reopen, you're gonna have
yep.
two.
Having to resist the urge to get long right now.
You don't need to know, man. Take about 5 minutes. You'll figure it out. You'll figure it out in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I would say a day
Yeah,
versus a
yeah.
couple of weeks.
Just keep that in mind. Keep your
Yeah,
desktop
you
open
can
with
set
the
up.
position. That's all.
Yeah, you could set up like two or three sim accounts and have sim 101 as your leader account, and then sim 102 and 103 as followers, and just practice with that.
141. Let's see my trades here today. Those trades at 8 o'clock here was nice, huh?
Oh man, fantastic. Fan friggin' tastic.
We're bounce up 141 now. I'm hungry. Though it's time for us to get paid yet.
Oh gosh, 15 days from now.
God damn it, man. I'm gonna be without eat for 15 days. And guys, remember that I will not be available from the 17th to 25th. I will have my phone on me.
Oh yeah, Christmas holiday.
Yeah. The 17th, we are heading to Florida and staying there for the week. I will have my phone on me, and if I can hide my computer somewhere and take with me, I will. But
Hiding the computer is not the hard part. The hard part is keeping it. You've got kids and
hidden,
they can
yeah.
smell
Oh
electronics.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know, you could
The
have it like tucked under the middle of the mattress, and the kids will be like, "I
yeah,
smell a laptop."
yeah, yeah. I'll take my laptop, and I tell the wife that I'm just gonna check if any, in case somebody has any issues or you know any like meltdown or whatever, and I need to hop in.
Meltdown.
So I'll take with me. But I'm not gonna remembering Key West. Key West, I was pissed when I went to Key West last time, and I enter and in a trade and and what was I lost like 8 grand like in seconds. I entered wrong or something. I was just listening to you guys like why am I doing this shit? I told her I would never bring a laptop to work again on vacation. So,
Ooh, trading from the phone's dangerous.
yeah, it's very dangerous.
I say that because from a charting perspective, it's hard to get the right view of the forest.
Yeah, you have NT has
I was
one. You
about to
can
say,
you can send them an email, and I did once, but then it's like I forget it. I disconnected.
yeah,
Um,
they'll set you up with a CQG mobile.
yeah,
There's an extra fee for that. I think it's like an extra $5 or $10 a month or something like that. But CQG mobile will let you actually place trades on your phone.
yeah. I did it.
Not that you should.
Yeah, I did it in case like I was on vacation or something. I see some, but you know what? It's not worth it.
I remember one time you were on vacation and you had a trade that was like 600 or 700 points in profit.
I don't remember. And I think I let
So
it
I,
go,
I know
right?
you
I let it
definitely
run.
wanted to manage that.
Yeah, yeah, that's what it was, I think. I bought it so I can manage that trade. I think that's what it was.
Yeah, because I think you left for vacation and it was 500 or 600 points in profit, and then while on vacation, it got up around 11 or 1200 and started coming against you. And I'm like, I hope you're monitoring this.
Yeah, yeah.
You're like out on a jet ski, zooming around the keys
Yep,
or something like that.
yep, yep. Oh, you got in. I wanna say like, Dora, did you get in? 'Cause looking good. I look at your screen. Yep, you are
Just a tight
in.
little scalp. Yeah, shaved one off. Still got two on. About to get sipped on it.
There's a fight here. Has a big sell orders on the 3 minutes and a big buy orders right under. So it's going like a ping pong, you know, like ting 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 ting. Trying to get out of that. Let's see how many orders are there. It is. Oh shoot. 489 on the top and 468 on the bottom. That's why it's ping pong between them. Oh, just ate right through at the sale. Just ate right through this. Oh, came back up. Another 408 it. Ate it right through it again. Jesus Christ. Uh, yeah, that's the one I have in here, right, Jeff? I think that's what it is. Yeah, we are at 150 right now. Is that the one you're talking about? Are we around 150? We're from between 141 and 150. If you ask me if you should hold, you should let me know. Is that a combine? Yeah, is that a combine? Combine, yeah. Is funded or not yet? Not yet. Yeah, I'll take profit. Don't let come back and eat you up. Can keep on going up or follow real close, you know. Give like 5 points, which is very short for this thing, but yeah, follow behind. I mean that's not gonna go up, but I don't want to come back down and eat it. Yep, cool. Yeah, you don't wanna is moving 50 points with no tomorrow, you know. You don't wanna come against you 50 points. Well, since I'm not in any trade, let's take a look here at the daily and 120 and everything, see if anything changed. Come on, what's going on? Alright.
Look at Soul Surfer
Ah,
and profit and loss. Look at Soul Surfer's post and profit and loss. He's up 165 points on his last one.
oh nice, man. Loady, loady. Very nice. Should it be more points? Guess not. I guess he held the ones that we enter 8 o'clock appears to. Nice.
Yeah, I got in earlier before you guys got in, Lou.
Ah, yeah, okay. Cool.
I'm
Yeah,
just dealing with a cough right now.
8 o'clock was when we enter.
You got COVID?
No, it's my cholesterol medicine. I got allergic reaction to it.
Oh
Oh shit!
no. Hey, check this daily here, guys. It's starting to turn. Daily. One 20. And check this out. Look at that. 120. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear
Yeah,
the
that could
words
be a
coming out
thing.
of my mouth? Huh?
That could be a thing. I'd like to not see it pop back down. But
Yeah, no. I think we'll
yeah,
go
you could
to
come
like
back
the
down and
one.
retest that
Yeah,
trend line that you've
yeah.
got
Go
there,
to
and
the
then
127. I'll give me 1 second. I'll be right back, guys.
Minus 188.
I'm back. Uh, this is Jeff answer your question. I think it's path. Let's see. Yeah. And if you double click, it's there, like Brett told me. Is inverse head and shoulder, not a W.
I can see the W there though. A shark pattern, D-leg forming. It would be an inverse head and shoulders versus a shark if it pulls back down to make a right shoulder, right?
I'm on a high time. I'm on 1 to 1. I need to get closer to you guys. Hold on.
Nancy waiting on this 188.
Well, just right above that's the 88, or below it, at 385 is the 88% of our big move down. 88% retracement from our high on November 25th. So last week. Not the big move, I guess.
Oh, don't you come off yet, you bitch. There we go. Go up. 15 and that 60 is pointed straight up.
And the 188 and
Oh,
127 is very
that
close.
that 15-minute looks good.
And that's what I
Dang,
was saying.
that at 30 minute, at 30 minute says we want to hit the 100% today.
62.
That looks real good. Definitely, definitely long-term long biased. Looking at that.
Oh yeah, any shorts or scalps.
Yep.
Wife just got the PS5 for my kids.
So
She was able to get now.
she's happy.
Yeah, I don't see any trades for me anymore today, guys. I really don't. I do not want it uh to scalp, so let me go back to the 120. 'Cause, oh, almost hit my cup of Coke here. Almost spill all over. 120 is up. 60 minutes is up. Holy moly. 30 minutes is up.
30-minute is blowing the bullhorn.
Yeah. 15 minutes is up. Everything's up. Uh, I have 3 minutes. 3 minutes, not that. It's like, eh. 5 minutes is up, but so. And the 1 minute is starting to turn. We might go back to the 700 today. Have anybody heard from Simon ever?
No.
Nope. What happened to dude?
What the hell, man? Can anybody
Yeah,
understand that?
Just hope everything's all right.
Yeah.
yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Brett had to get to his 188. He could not handle.
It didn't quite make it, but I
Yeah,
took one micro short, so
you could not handle your 188. It's 188. I
couldn't
need
hit.
to take it because only one showing daily that's still down, but with engine lights on. But 120, 60, 30, 15, and 5 are showing up. I'm hoping for a pull down, pull back here so we can get in long. That'd be nice. And sip. I was talking to Jacoby another day.
Ah,
Uh, he's having um problems coming back in trade. He got the money, he got everything, but now he's so afraid to lose that
should hop on and sim with us.
yeah, he cannot make himself do it. I keep telling him, but he's so afraid right now. His mind is so broke down, that he's having a big issue right now. He's getting
He
PSAT
needs
again.
to he needs to start with an amount he's not as scared. He's not scared to lose.
Yeah, or just open a freaking
Combine.
combine.
Yeah, they're like $60 today.
Hey, Dora, remember that Amazon that you told me to buy that share thing?
Hair?
That not was I bought like $10 or so. That on Robinhood, Amazon is a fraction
Oh,
share.
oh, oh, the fractional share. Yeah,
I'm up 12.55%. I made 90
nice.
cents.
Anya, those fractional shares are neat.
Yeah. And now I don't want it to sell, and then they have to send me a freaking
I
1099
don't
or
think you'll
whatever
get
they
one
they send.
with a dollar value that low.
Huh?
I don't think you'll get one with a dollar value that low.
No? Okay. I was
I think you
worried
got to
like,
make at least $500 or something.
okay. I was worried like, ah, shit, now I'm gonna need to give a bunch of paperwork for a freaking dollar. But
Spend $50 reporting taxes on a dollar.
on a dollar, right? Yeah. How's everybody's day going? Everybody okay? I know Phil, we had to work on recoup that money, but I'm not too concerned because it's not a big amount and we can recoup slowly. Anybody else have any issues that we need to make a note here to do follow-ups throughout the week? Anybody? 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 That's good. And you know that's the way to do, man. Is not put in your head that you need to get everything back. Take your time, take the right positions in a lower size, and slowly get back.
Oh shoot. I
And
gotta drop.
and I'm having audio issues to anybody. Is you talking about me, Phil, and I'm the one that Brad, careful, man. Everything's up.
Yeah, these are tiny micros. I'm really green on the day, so I've got plenty of cushion for that.
Cool, cool. But it's just me, Phil, or you on like everybody talking, or just me? That's what I'm wanna. You guys can hear me, right?
Yep.
Okay. 188, and right above the 188 is 127. We do have a 39.41. Just got eaten by a big bad wolf. The 127 here. Not many sell orders. 20 or 30, but not horrible. Real time. I thought you said you were done. You're like Doyle. 48 sell order there, right at 127. And right above here, we do have a gap right here. So if we get in that gap, we can go all the way up to the 150, 150% on the big time frame. That's so funny to see you guys saying that. I don't have my 100 points yet. You know how many people is dying for 10? That's good. That's good, 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 good. I like that. 127, the big time frame. Oh, real time. You're lucky I don't have you're too far away from me to reach you with the baseball bat. Now I could enter in so many places here to go long, but this go against so many things that I cannot make myself do it. I cannot make
I think
myself
next
do
stop
it.
is like 450. I think we have a clear shot to 450.
450 would be the 141 of the 10 minutes fib. But for you guys now to do correct this trade, what you have to do is if you're gonna enter, for example, here, you need to have your stop here. That's 30 points. Not to guarantee you anything, but that will be your stop, you know. I did all my money this morning. I'm happy about it. I'm not going to scalp. I don't feel like scalp. And for the people on YouTube, we're going to hop off here with you guys. See y'all tomorrow again.
Yep, I am 80